Hey, what's going on, guys? Manufacturer sent me this socket fan light for free so I could check it out and let you know what I think about it. So for this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you to show you what it looks like out of the box and see how easy it is to assemble. So just a little foam padding on top. Then this is the actual fan housing. This here is an extension socket, hardware pack. These are five blades. And then it also has a remote that comes with a holder. So that's what the hardware pack is for. So you can screw your remote holder to the wall and put your remote in it. So that's cool. I like that. All right, so let's go ahead and take the plastic off everything. Just going to start with the remote. Take the motor housing out. And you see it also has a cap right here. You don't have to unscrew it. It just pushes on and pulls off. So that's of course your actual light socket there. And then of course your fan blades. So it's going to be hard to see on the camera, but there's three little tabs, or I guess three little ridges on each of these fan blade tabs. What those are for. So each fan blade has the receiving side. So you just very simply, no tools, slide, lock it in. You might be able to hear the snap if you listen. So each one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys. So, I mean, as far as assembly, that's it. Super simple. And then again, this is the extension. So, depending on what your socket situation is for your light, you will simply either ignore this part and screw this up into your old light, or you'll use the extension, which just screws on, and then you'll screw that up into your light fixture. So that's really it, guys. It's super simple. Really excited to give it a shot. It looks like a really cool light.